Hey guys, it's Nick Agina,
And this is KJ, Kelly Johnson.
and we're here to talk to you guys about a new feature with the styluses called Cami. So what you would first do is Google the Chrome Web Store. Click Chrome Web Store extensions,
And here you're going to type in the word Kami, K-A-M-I. Hit enter, and you're going to choose Add to Chrome.
and also click Add Extension. Once you've installed Cami as a Chrome extension, you'll need to add the registration key. To do that, you need to scroll up to the top of your web browser, go to Cami. Your initials will appear right here. Click your initials, and then type enter the license code. And the license code is going to be and success, your license has been successfully applied.
So here's an example of some of the items that you can do with Kami. Next, the first thing you need to do is open with, on a PDF, annotate with Kami.
So one of the things that you can do with Cami is that you are able to edit and annotate on a PDF. And so KJ here is going to highlight some key terms. Highlighting is just one feature that you can use in Cami. Another feature you can use is you can use the drawing feature. Students with their styluses can draw on PDFs, and anything that is done by Cami can be saved on top of the PDF. Here's an example. Just putting it right there, absolutely. One other nice feature is if on a PDF, typically you can't type in a word processor, but with the text box feature, you are able to type out your answer as well.
And to get the text box, all you have to do is double click on the screen wherever you want to put the text box.
And then just start typing right away. This gives our students their choice on whether they want to free write by hand on the Chromebooks or prefer to type.
The next thing that we can look at is, in case you make a mistake, there is the eraser function, and it's very simple. All the students have to do is take their stylus. They don't turn the stylus around, they've been trying that. Just take the stylus with the stylus end and go over what they need to erase, and then they can redo.
Thanks for tuning in today to learn about Cami. If you want to learn more about Cami and how it can be used in the classroom, be sure to stop by and visit us in the ILC for the next couple of weeks before we make our new home in the IDEAPad.
Thanks, and have a good day.
Take care, guys. Bye.